Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna explain you the indenting technique while coloring the ears of these two characters. So these are the tools I'm gonna use and I'm showing you the tips of these tools. Be careful while using them, try to cover the tip because otherwise you can get hurt. The tips are very pointed, so if you are young you can perfectly use a sharpened stick or a pen without the ink. So now I'm going to color in the character on the left side of my paper. I already made the sketch and as you can see I'm trying to trace some lines. So basically these lines will leave some ditches in the surface of the paper. The time you are going to add the colors, you will see these little super thin white areas and they will stay there even if you press a bit harder. This method is very amazing in case you wanna draw super realistic hairs, but I'm gonna do this thing up to the anime hairs because that's the topic, and also because I already made the one in realistic hairs and I will leave the link of this video in my description. You can use this technique while doing a graphic drawing, and also you can make some dots in case you wanna draw some birds, or you can even make all the forms you need to draw whatever you want. The reason why most of the people are using this technique, which is something very easy to get a super realistic drawing, is that this way you will be able to add so many details to your drawing, and these details will be very beautiful and they will add something, an extra to the result of your drawing. So you must try this technique because it's something very easy to get very realistic results on hairs, on eyebrows, or on whatever you want for real. Just try it out because it's something very crazy and beautiful. I must recommend you to use different sides of tips so you will be able to play with them and to give a more three-dimensional effect to the hairs. In that side I will mix two different tips to show you what's the final result by using a thicker tool. The thread will be more visible and more cartoonish. The beautiful thing about this technique is that no matter what direction you are gonna move with your pencil or with the graphite or with your color, you can use many art supplies anyways, but the white spot will always appear and you don't really need to add so much pressure. You are free to use the pressure you do prefer to get the result you wanna get. You better wait before to leave this video because in the end I will show you some very close photos to show you the effect better. Anyways guys, I have made some tutorials on how to color anime hairs and how to draw hairs in general, so I will drop of course everything in my description and you will also find all the art supplies I'm using in all of my videos, so you can feel free to take a look. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe and to hit the bell to support me and my channel. So let's switch to the second drawing. As you can see I'm gonna use the other tool and this tip is bigger compared to the previous one, and then I will use a more bigger one. The process is still the same, you just have to trace these lines, these invisible lines, but you are able to watch them, to look at them while coloring and drawing, so you will always see them. And now I'm gonna color, and as you can see there are some very big white spots. I'm zooming it to better show it to you now. Of course, if you're gonna color and draw dark hairs like black or a blue or a dark brown or simple brown, these white lines will be even more visible to your eyes. In this video, I'm using the Artisan Expert pencil colors set, and they are wax-based pencil colors, and so they are very close to Prisma Color Primer, but this method is working with any brand, so feel free to use any pencil color you have with you and do this test. Try to draw some hairs with this technique and let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you soon with my next drawing. Take care of yourself. Ciao!